Hello everyone, my name is Mengfei Tang. Today our presentation's title is Automation Hotel. In our hotel, there is no one survey that can protect the privacy of the guests, and it also can reduce the physical contact between people. There are 4 people in our group, Jiaxu, Jinpeng, Mark, and me. Expect me studying civil engineering. Their major are all electronic engineering. After our group discussion, Jiaxu is responsible for solving the technical problems. Jinpeng's work is writing the risks, and Mark's responsible for arranging the timeline. For me, I need to contact the investment company and show them our project. With the process of the times, unmanned accommodation hotels are gradually realized. The function of avoiding obstacles is very important. We searched for related cases and found a solution suitable for our project. Compared with our solutions and the requirements of sketch holders and managers, we will choose the final solution that best suits our project. In addition to function of avoiding obstacles, we will find that visual recognition, face recognition, and robot charging are very important. The first thing is obstacle avoidance system. Each robot has camera and infrared function. It can scan the surrounding environment 120 degrees. When something or somebody suddenly appears in its field of vision, the emergency braking system will be activated. The robot will stop immediately. The second thing is visual recognition. In dining room, people always order the food, and the machine arms in kitchen will choose the food materials to cook. When finished cook, the robot will bring the food to the table. Robot also can deliver this food. For delivery, it not only needs obstacle avoidance system, but also needs Face ID to identify who ordered this food. The last thing is Face ID. People need to book the room on the internet first, and at the same time, they need to update their personal information. When they check in, they need to provide their ID card and passport, come through the customers. The machine will identify your personal information and save it in our systems. The Face ID will be used in elevator and open your room door. Okay, the last part is the sketch holder requirement. You can see we cooperate with the manufacturing, software company, mechanic shop, insurance company, repair user, and hospital. So, thank you for watching.
As for the risk which may be occurred during the process, there may have several types of risk for different aspects, such as the time cost, financial cost, and product quality. The next part I will do about this framing point. Case or design concept can be pretty creative. The similar types of it cannot be found in the current market. This means that it could be very hard to absorb appearance from the other suppliers. When we won't know how long will it roughly take, and if there are any extra fee will be cost, such as the extra fee for some rare components, because there may have some parts will be required to import from the other country. Therefore, the accuracy of all expectations in terms of time cost and financial cost could be reduced. Well, the design concept of the product, which will require many accurate mechanical calculations and program coding to be supported. If some error occurred during this process, the robot system will be performed with failure, which directly reduces the quality of product. The quality can be improved by multiple times of calculations and checking. Well, the risk of over budget for time and financial costs, which could be pretty hard to totally control due to the COVID-19. The component's price could be higher or lower than normal, and the resumption of the time for a worker could be unable to determine.
Hi everybody, I'm Jiaxu. I will going to introduce our hardware solution. First, we will use the robotic arm to make food and drink in the kitchen of a hotel. For the food delivery service robots, we need more sensors to support. 3 LiDAR sensors will be able to build a real-world map. Ultrasonic sensor can detect the distance of nearby people or objects to ensure safety. Vision sensor can provide more judgment data to ensure the accuracy and the safety of operation. It's also a sensor using for Face ID. After that, I will introduce our operating environment solution. RS will be used on each robot to run the program and remotely exchange data through Wi-Fi or 5G modules. The new standard of Wi-Fi 6 can provide more access equipment and faster data transmission. For the Internet of Things, we will use the edge servers and the cloud servers. Servers are also a solution to reduce network latency provided by 5G. The robot or Face ID data that needs to process faster, so it will be completed directly by the edge server. In addition, the cloud server will handle the remote data needs of customers or situations that require more computing power. And then I'm going to talk about our development solution. We will use Linux Ubuntu 16.04 as a development platform, which is very will adapt to the various development software. And the robotics toolbox in the MATLAB, it will help us solve a more complex calculation in programming, and it also provides many useful calculation modules. RS combined with SLAM can carry out simulation programming under a real map to reduce many risks. Our programming language mainly use C, C++, and Python. Thank you.
Comparing unmanned hotels with traditional hotels is a very obvious change. With automatic face ID checking, system processing is faster than manual processing, and each guest can save an average 5 minutes. This is a better customer experience. You can order food like breakfast and daily necessities on your phone, and the robot will deliver it to your room. And you can check out anytime, anywhere on your phone. Based on these changes, it can be concluded that unmanned hotels are more efficient than traditional hotels. We hope to bring customers a faster and better experience. In unmanned hotels, the positions of these traditional hotels will be cancelled. Intelligent robots will complete their work. In traditional hotels, the optimum number of staff per 10 rooms in 3-star hotel, 8 persons; in 4-star hotel, 12 persons; in 5-star hotel, 20 persons. The average payment level ranges from $70 per year for a reception and $100 per year for a hotel manager. Now we can reduce this part of the expenditure.
Thank you for watching.